Hi everyone and welcome to this year 2022. I know today is like the 10th of January. Yeah, so I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everybody who has been following me on my channel, and I'm so grateful for that. And as I thought about this for some time this year, I just decided I'll concentrate more on my sewing this year on my channel more than any other thing, because on my channel I had a lot of stuff going on, real for real. I had like cooking, I had all those stuff going on, different videos. But this year I'm going to be concentrating on sewing and sewing. Just I'm gonna be sewing my different clothes, which it's really kind of my passion. Although everything I do on my channel is what I really love doing. Like cooking, I cook every day. Like um um anything I do it every day, mostly every day. So I have been uh sorting out all kind of stuff, and now I've just decided to do my sewing only on my channel. So I'll be sewing, as I do sew a lot. I'll be sewing and styling all the clothes. I'll be sewing accessories and all the what has to do with sewing. So this year I just started. What I started with is I did sew already like some few days ago. I sewed some of my dress, which I will be doing a video the next day. I sewed some clothes, and I'm going to make sure that I'm going to style all the stuff I sewed so that you can see how they look like. And if in case you want to have the pattern, let me know so that I can make the pattern, and I will see how we're going to do about it, you know. Okay, so the other day I've been sewing some pouch, lined zipper pouch, handmade. I love them so much. They turn out really nice. I made a video which is already in there on my channel. So if you haven't watched it, please make sure you watch that video. Subscribe please to my channel. Keep on subscribing. Support your girl. Like, comment. That way you share it. That way it can go around and I get more people to subscribe to my channel. So I've been sewing, and the last days I saw these really cute pouches. You can use them for all purpose. I mean, you can use them for cosmetic, you can use them for, you know, anything you wish to. So these are really nice, beautiful, handmade pouch. I made them in different sizes. They are so beautiful. I love them. I really took my time, and they turn it really nicely. I have lining inside, and they are really looking beautiful. This one, it has a sister and a brother and an aunt, you know, as you can call it. So I sewed this like four of them, like, you know, with zipper. The zippers are different. Actually I made these ones with this kind of almost the same zipper like the main fabric. This is like leather, but not really pure leather. They look really amazing. I just did some applicant, that way it can have some wow effect, which, I mean, who wouldn't love this? Who wouldn't love this? They are very beautiful. You can use them for your cosmetic, you can use them for makeup, brushes, makeup, everything, and toiletry and cosmetic, accessories, everything. They are just beautiful. So this one, they are like same size. They are like same size. They're just almost the same. And then I have these ones with the, this one has a lighter zipper, because I like colorful stuff. I don't like really like putting everything like it's look boring. So they also have come with a lining. They're really looking beautiful. Your girl is doing something this year. I'm really wanted to promote my channel, and this one you will find them on my website. Please make sure you go there and you order yours, buy yours. So these are also the same size. You can order like a big one and a small one. You can combine the two. This one, the bigger and the small one, you see, they're very beautiful. Like one for you, one for your sweetheart. A matching product. And this one as well, you see, they come different zippers. This one has a like a deck one. This one has a light one. You see, a small one and a kind of a little bit bigger one. So you can order, either you order one, the bigger one, or the small one, or you order both, big and small one. So here you go. Here are the pouches ready for sale. You can get them, as I say, on my website. And then I have this cute little one, which is also really amazing. Applicants love applicant. Come with also a lining, really beautiful, with just a colorful zipper. Look at it, they are looking very nicely. It's just a small one. You can just put some small stuff inside, lip gloss, lipstick, and the all the small stuff. And they're amazing, beautiful. I love them. So then I have another big one. This one also love. This is a lighter material. This one is a darker and this one is light, but also like leather imitated. It's not like this really soft like wild leather. Softly, really nicely. I love the fabric. It's amazing. So make sure you order yours. These are very, very beautiful for your bags inside, for your handbag, something to put some few stuff in. Make sure you get some of these on my website. And I have another one with the orange zipper. This is beautiful as well. So this one also, it's you can order, either you order this with this, because this one is bigger and this is a smaller version of it, but with a different applicants, not like the other one. So like really and very beautiful. Enough room for everything you wish to. You have enough space for your stuff which you would like to put in. So make sure you get these amazing pouches. I'm still working on making different new ones as well. And if you wish to have more like this, make sure this is with a pink, just a pink. It's looking very amazing. I like this color combination that nobody expect to match. So something just different. I don't like the applicants. I just sort everything myself, just my own, thinking of what to do. I mean, that way it doesn't look boring. Also as well, you know, small them, bigger. So these are the smallest one I have right now, and then followed by this. But they have enough room for everything. You can put your perfume wherever you want. You know, they are so amazing. Just go to my website, you will just have this. I have another one like this as well, the lighter color, you know, this light brown as well, you know, with the blue zipper. Nice, you know, nice lining inside. So as you can see, very beautiful. I just, you know, something like it's it's like easy way, but really eye catcher. I think you love it as well. Make sure you order yours on my website, sstaceycreationco.com. Go to my website shop, and I have these pouches. You can just decide which one you want and order. Then I have this is also a dark one with a yellow, light yellow zipper. You see, these are, I mean, I had so much fun sewing these pouches, zipper pouches. They are really amazing, well sewn, really well sewn. I took my time to do all this because I like beautiful stuff, and I hope you too. So you see, applicants I made on it, that way it looks something different, something beautiful. So make sure you order. So I have this at the moment, like you see, I have this, so this dark brown and the light brown. So you have the choice to choose. And also, the way I told you earlier, I have also the blue ones as well. So bags, make sure you order yours. They are amazing, very beautiful, sewn with love. Make sure you order yours on my website. Support your girl. This year I would like to, I don't want to keep things. I've been sewing stuff and I just keep them in here, and they are just becoming more and more. So it's time to get them to you people. I'm sure you will love them. You will love them as I love them, because I made them with love. I took my time to sew, and I've been sewing for so long. So I have a lot of accessory stuff, which, yes, I would love to get them out there. So make sure you order yours anytime, and I'm waiting for your orders. Order, order, order. Here are they for you to order. Thank you for being around. I will see you next time. I will introduce next time, the next video, I will introduce what I have already sewn as well. I show you so that you can go to my website and get some. I have some stuff which I have to still to have to put them on my website. I already sewed. So the next one, I just sweatshirt, not sweatshirts, like sweat pulleys or something. Like, they are amazing. I made a video last year just doing this color blocking fabric together, so making my own color blocking, sewing it in color blocking. So those sweaters are already done, and I'm ready to put them on my website. So make sure you check on that video, and I'll be putting those sweaters on my website. And don't forget to get your pouch. See you next time, and I appreciate your time. Thank you for subscribing, and those who haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. As you know, this is still my sewing room. Yes, and I still like spending time here sewing and sewing and sewing. So yeah, make sure you just subscribe, like, share my videos, let them spread around. Let I need more people this year to get to know me in person. I mean, to get to know me. I mean, nowadays, our world is less going down. We only have this virtual world right now because of the COVID issue. So we can't do much outside there because of the COVID. So let's just join each other on this world and support each other. Make sure you subscribe and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.